Welcome back into a tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to create account or login to DeepSeek. So in this I will guide you of the easiest and step by step process to create account or login to DeepSeek. So let's get start our video. And before that, make sure you already downloaded that application on your mobile device. If you not downloaded that application, go to Google Play Store. If you are in Android, you can search there DeepSeek and download from there. But if you are in iPhone, you can go App Store and download from there. So let's jump to our video. First of all, open your DeepSeek application on mobile device. Now you will get this type of page. If you have already an account, you can give your email ID and password, and after that you can see your login option is there. Click on login. You can go directly to that page in that DeepSeek. But if you are not login, now you can see here one sign up option is there. Click on sign up and you have to give your email ID here, then password. Create some new password which is very strong and all, giving all character, special character and all. Now we can see here one send code option is there. Click on this send code option. It will send some code to your email ID. Now click on the smallest green cylinder in the picture. Yeah, this one. So I have to go email ID and I have to copy from there. So you will get this type of code. So copy and paste here. After that, now we can see a circle option is there. Toggle on this option. Now you can see here sign up option. Click on sign up. It is showing that your email ID is already exists, so it is not going. But if you are giving all those things like this and click on sign up, then you can create that account. But I will show by login. So now you can see here sign in Google. I will sign in Google. Agree. This one. So now you can see you will get this type of page. You can search now any questions, any query from here. So in this way you can create account and log into DeepSeek. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.